Everything I am, I'm trading. Got my life in your hands, all my plans, cause I'm trading. What's good for me, cause you're good for me. I know it's been a while, but I gotta tell the truth.
Good morning guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome if you're new. Hey guys, if you're new, I am ꨄThanks and I do lifestyle videos. So today is Saturday, August 3rd, and this is like a getting my life together kind of video. I haven't been doing my vlogs, I haven't been on my game, and yeah, you know, life just not lifing, honestly. So it's currently 9:51 right now, and I just got up. Yeah, I just get up. But yeah, this is gonna be like getting my life together, just starting again to vlog whatever it is that I vlogged today. Then that's what you get today. But I want to show you guys my room. Yesterday I cleaned my room, so it started from yesterday. I was like, my room was just not looking like me, but today it's looking like me. So let me just give you guys like an overview of my room and how I did it. So but yeah, this is my room. So I changed my sheets yesterday, so this is now yellow. It was stripes up before, and I changed this as well. I moved this here, so yeah, that's gonna be there for a while. And then this was at school. I made this and it was at school, but I brought it home, so it's gonna be here for a while. Yeah. And then the mirror I brought here, and my mom gave me the idea to put it between the two, the dresser and the table, and it's perfect because when the fan is not there, then I can see my outfit fully. So let me show y'all. See, so I can show you guys like my outfits of the day right here and all of that. So yeah, it is so hot right now, very hot. Anyway, so I'm gonna head out of my room right now and get some breakfast because I am hungry. I think today I want to wash my hair today, and my sister and we want to head to Kelly's because we're out of some hygiene stuff. For like, I need my soap. I haven't bought my Dove soap, so my Dove soap is out, and I don't have any body wash, that is out. So yeah, I need to go and get some of those stuff today. So I might run into the town to get some of that today. Don't know what else. Oh yes, I also want to get a hair because I want to do back over my hair, but not this week. I'm gonna give it a rest for this week, and then next week I'm gonna be doing it like closer to the weekend thereabout. So yeah, so that's what's gonna happen for today. Don't know what else, but bring you guys along. So hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. Comment down below how your week has been, how your holiday has been. I know a lot of persons, especially if you're living in like the US and other places, you might be going back to school, or you might already be in school because it's August. But for Jamaicans, I think for Canadians, I'm not sure, and I think England, you are still on holiday. I'm not sure, correct me if I'm wrong, but I'm not sure. So yes, it's 9:55. I'm gonna get something to eat because I'm hungry. So bye. Oh yes, do you guys like my screen thingy? Let me show y'all. It says made with melanin. I don't know, I like it. I like the brown. It gave me a vibe. So yeah. Alright, so I'm in the kitchen right now, waiting on my sister because I see porridge for myself, but I don't see, she don't eat porridge, so I'll wait until she comes. So she wants, don't know what she wants, but normally mommy does like porridge from when she does for that. So I'm gonna have to heat up that because I like my porridge hot. I don't like it cold or lukewarm. I don't know, I just don't like it lukewarm. But yes, gonna see what Shan wants, and I'm gonna heat up the porridge, have breakfast, and then I'll try to figure out what I want to do first because we cleaned yesterday, which was amazing. So I don't have to clean today. So I cleaned yesterday. So I think mainly is just to wash my hair, and then we go go into the town before the rain starts. It was raining yesterday very hard, and then this morning about after 3 when I woke up, it started to rain. I'm wash my sheet, you know, I'm putting on the line earpiece like I'm just not taking it up because I'm wash it in. So I know it would have dry. I know it would be dry in the evening, but I did not check. So it wake up back. So it now go dry now. So now people go about check. Can't be doing it dry because after 3 it was raining. So even though sisters away. Gosh. What's wrong? Alright guys, so I'm ready, as you saw. So I was planning to like not wear the hat because, you know, I just feel like it's hot outside, but mommy said me not party good, so we can't wear it. So this was just gonna like do the shiny bump and do my edges, then it will be fine. But mommy said I did not do good, so gotta just leave it, you know. Yeah, these so yes, we just cover it with the hat and all of that. Just going around to Kellett's in a bit and then come back. Maybe my sister for bed. Should have bed, so just waiting on her to shower. We can't bother for the edges again, so just gotta cover those. Taller. This is right. If you tumble down, how much will pay if you wanna? What you can buy? That one I do. They must have that one. So, okay. What will you pay for again? So, which is not around here, but I wanna look.
So are we around here?
Can we look? What? Curtain. No curtain. With one mat. Why is it so thick? One mat. With one curtain.
There's a mat.
Yeah.
Is this first one? Yeah, well,
Why?
1,200 of the month. Come on.
If that was 1 month.
This is sexy.
You know, in America, I be them bag me see people in my buy. The cartoonized bag them. Yeah, then they're on this one. No, that's the one they want. The color, the first I big one. So. It's so nice. Why they have so cute? And the spring water is not there, you know. Then they offer this. These are spring water something.
But I African twist really.
After 15 minutes, then. Back home. Sis. Oh, I'm hot. Miss me look up so bad to twist them. Anyways, back home. About lunch. So for lunch I got cheese patty and orange juice. One of them just said tough. So yeah, cheese patty and orange juice, and the soup is for mom because she don't like patty. So yeah.
Say, I must have that things me come, Katie. Right, so. Let me ask you what that early. Let's
Hey guys, I just want to show you what I bought. So I bought some maize soap to use. Never got a body. Some the soap. Not this time, but yeah, I got the, what do you call this? There's the white radiance one and the green tea. These smell the less fragranted ones. They don't have too much fragrance in here. And then I got a pack of razors, yeah, and for hair I bought one pack for me, one pack for my mom. What's in the bag? Oh, I opened this, so probably that's why this looks I turned it the wrong way. Anyway, so it's the Ghana Twist, the realistic Ghana Twist Afro Twist bulk. 36 strands. Yeah, and that's the 16-inch. So yeah, I don't know how I'm gonna do my hair or my mom's hair as yet, but yeah. And then just a little snack, I picked up some Ritz biscuit and cheese. So yeah, that's all I bought, guys. That's all I bought.
God, you call me by my name. The love you give me, I just can't deny.